Hello ladies and gents, welcome to a sunset point of view driving. It's not night, but it might be by the end of the video. I wanted to take a new Model Y Standard for a spin. You can see the back lights and just to come to the front here. Yeah, yesterday was cloudy. I was expecting already a full night, but you can see the front headlights. We're gonna jump into the car. I need to return this car to Tesla. It's their demo vehicle. They work until 5. And we're going to take it for a ride. Now, I wanted to demonstrate these headlights in pitch black, but I guess that's not happening. But I guess this will do. Now, you can see this a little bit better. So also, this is the interior at night. Nice illumination, not too bad, considering there's no ambient light. So it's a little bit dark, and the Legacy, it was the same, but we're a bit spoiled by the premium. Now, I will take this non-highway route because there's so much traffic. Next week is Christmas, so Merry Christmas. It is, heavy traffic, so I want to be responsible and return this to Tesla as agreed. Okay, so trying to accord here to the speed limits. Now, of course, I wish it was full dark, but I've said this in my day review and a quick review that I believe Tesla has installed matrix hardware in these headlights, but they're just software disabled. So there's a huge traffic there. This is why I'm going here. Yeah, I think further on there's going to be street lights. My idea was go through the highway, but the highway is just huge traffic around Zagreb. There's a lot of people who are just in transit for Croatia, going to the Eastern Europe, or the opposite way, but I think it's mostly Western Europe moving to East. All those people who actually maybe, are from different countries and work on the West, and then they go home for holidays. Yeah. I did make a review. Hopefully you watched that video. If you didn't, the standard Model Y is actually quite good. We're sitting on the 19-inch alloys. These are like a winter package you can buy in Tesla. So this is not the standard 18-inch you get with...
300 meters, enter the roundabout and take the third exit.
Thank you. Okay, so these are not the standard 18-inch that you get standard with this car on summer tires. And I would say the suspension is really good. It is not as the premium model because it's not adaptive. This one is the old Legacy one revised, so it's not super firm. It does soak up some of these imperfections, but it's decent, it's good. It's not the adaptive, of course. If you really are into comfort, you can always just install Koni, I would say. That's a good choice. The adaptive shocks, and just have generally a much more comfier ride. I think Tesla used to work until like 6. Now it's 5, almost 5, excuse me. So yeah, I think when I got the Model 3 Highland, that worked perfectly for me. But this time, I think they reduced their work hours.
In 200 meters, bear right onto Topolave.
Okay, you can see the beam here on the side now, next to this fence. We do have one stretch of road that I do know, and we're going to come to it. Hopefully, we'll see the performance there. Okay, so yeah, it's huge traffic. I'm a little bit late. but should be
Now turn right onto Priobalna Sister.
Tesla no time. So we're turning here. There's no streetlights, I think, and traffic is just terrible. But yeah, you should be able to see the performance a little bit. Yeah, no streetlights, a little bit of traffic, but yeah, there we go. The performance of the LED headlights. It's not fully dark, but you can see the beam very nicely, and it's nice and wide. So you can also see now the interior, how it looks at night. Yeah, I would say no compromise here, besides the fact that the Matrix headlights are not software enabled, I believe. So, but you know, this feels just like the legacy Model Y or Model 3 without the ambient lights, but the interior is actually very solid. The headlights are still very good. Hopefully Tesla will just, you know, surprise you in a year or two and just said, you know, we're bringing Matrix, maybe even, or at least as an option, if not free. This is annoying, but we're almost here, so it doesn't matter. But what I wanted to say, you know, maybe, and tell me in the comments what you think, maybe Tesla should just offer this as a software upgrade. Software upgrade, same as they had the rear heated seats for the Model 3 in 2021. So maybe Matrix headlights should be an option at least. I'm here actually at Tesla. It's 5 o'clock. They're just down the street, so I think I've made it. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.